How to fix Xbox age verification not working. So if your Xbox says that you have to verify your age, or if the age verification is not working on your Xbox, then what you need to do is check your Microsoft account date of birth. For that, you need to open up your browser, go with www.microsoft.com, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and then go with view account, and then go with your info, which will be in the left side, and scroll down, and you need to verify your date of birth. Make sure that you're above the age of 18, and make sure that you verified your date of birth. And make sure that your country or your region is also set where you are. Once done, you need to go with the payment options, which will be on the left side. And if it asks you to sign into your account, you just need to simply go with sign in, and you may receive a code to your mail. So open up your mail, enter that code, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with add a payment method, and make sure that you've added the payment method. You can just simply go with credit or your debit card and add your payment method. After adding your payment method, it won't show you age verification not working problem. Or if that doesn't work, then you just need to simply go with the browser where you use your Microsoft, and after that, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then you need to scroll down a bit, go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with privacy and security, and then go and delete your browsing data. After deleting your browsing data, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.